Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the sum of the sequence? And we have given one sequence, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 47. Given sequence is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 47. Now, we can observe the given sequence is the addition of odd terms from 1 to 47. So, total number of terms available are 48 divided by 2, that is 24, and addition of n odd consecutive terms is n square. So, here n is 24. 24 square means 24 into 24. So, 24 into 24 is 4 4s are 16. 6 is at units place and carry 1 forward to the tens place. So, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Add 0 to the units place. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 6 plus 0, add these two terms. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, it is 576. Hence, the sum of the sequence 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 47 is 576.